18 Niro. We have to do a remote starter. And we gotta get back there. So, this video is actually for the cabin filter, since I'm taking the glove box apart anyway. So, empty it. Hello. Turn. 1. 2. Oh. This is counterclockwise. See? Just turn them. Pull this guy off. Come on. Can I do it with one hand? Whoa! There you go. There she is. There she goes. 1. Squeeze. Squeeze. And she's out. And let's see how dirty this one is, because I'm not replacing this. I'm just showing you how to do it. It's kind of dirty. I don't know if the material is meant to be that dirty. But it's supposed to be white. I don't know. But there she goes. 18 Niro cabin filter removal. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.